everybody, and happy October. It is Ramona with Fab Everyday, and I don't know about you, but to me October means Halloween. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, and one of the best ways to celebrate any holiday is with food. Today I'm sharing two super fun and festive and slightly spooky, but still safe for the kids, Halloween themed treats. We're gonna be making spooky spider dogs and spooky spaghetti. And just like most of the ideas I share over at Fab Everyday, both of these are super easy and relatively quick because Mama ain't got no time for DIYing all day and cooking everything from scratch. Hot dogs, crescent rolls, and ketchup. You also need two tools, a knife and a chopstick. Festive black noodles. These are organic black bean spaghetti noodles. They're actually gluten-free and pretty low in carbs too. Pre-cooked meatballs. This is one of those shortcuts. Your favorite pasta sauce. Using pre-made sauce is another shortcut to make this even easier. Mozzarella pearls and capers. As far as tools, you just need a few straws. I like to use a regular size straw and a larger straw. You could always just use a regular size straw and a spoon if you don't have a large straw.